Pirate Captain Miss Janika again. By now we should have done our V sound lesson. Now we're going to do our game where we put our V words in our treasure chest today. Are we ready? So here I have some V words, J words, and a couple of not V or J words. Let's see. Let's read this word together. Vet. Can vet go in our treasure chest? Yes, it can, because it is a V word. Amazing. Let's see what else we can find. Let's see. Hiss. Hiss. Does hiss belong in our chest? No, it does not. Get rid of that. We don't need that one. Let's find another word. Let's sound this one out together. J-o-g. Jog. Does jog belong in our chest? No. It's not a word. That's a J word. Let's find another one. Sound this out together. Jet. 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 Does jet belong in our chest? No, not that one either. Let's see. Sound this one out together. Ready? Vic. Vic. Does Vic belong in our treasure chest? Is this our word for our chest? Yes, it is. Let me put that in there. Amazing. Let's try another word. Jam. Jam. Is jam a word? No, it's not. Doesn't belong in our chest. Let's find another word. Let's see. Cat. 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 Does cat belong in our chest? I think it might. Doesn't it? No, it does not. It's not got a V in it. Let's find another one. Let's see. Van. Van. Does van belong in our chest? Yes, it does. Let me put it in here. Or collecting lots of treasure, aren't I? Let's do another one. Let's sound this one out together. Ready? Jill. Jill. Does Jill belong in our chest? No. It's not a word, is it? Let's see. Sound this one out. Jack. Jack. Does Jack belong in our chest? No, it does not. Let's see. I've only got one word left, so let's see what it is. Let's sound it out together. That. That. Does that belong in our chest? Yes, it does. Fantastic. We have filled our chest up with words. And now I'm going to go bury this somewhere where no one can find it.